What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. Hope you guys are having a good day today. I have right next to me a Gen 5 where we're going to be doing a full-on style project for our client. There's a lot of details that we're going to be doing to this project. Let's go ahead and highlight the car being stocked right now before we transform it and give a new look to our new client from the exterior, a little bit of the interior, some wheels, suspension, and move forward from there. What exactly are we doing to this Gen 5, guys? Let me give you a little bit of a breakdown to the parts and the styling mods that we're going to be adding. This car will be getting a full-on wrap job. The midnight green Inozetek will be the first car to launch this color with. We're extremely happy and excited to give this color to our client. Before we wrap it, we're going to go ahead and do any imperfections that you see on the body with smoothing the surfacing out and then giving them a flush even finish. So when we lay the wrap, everything is nice and clean with a crisp sharp line lining up with the body lines. And then there's some modification that might be happening in the suspensions, wheels, and headlights. We'll let you guys stay tuned for that as we keep going and clean this car up. But first, we gotta take it to our body shop, get all the work done, fixed up before we wrap it, and move forward from there. Alright guys, so this shout out goes out to our client that owns this car. We just wanted to say thank you for giving us this opportunity. We're extremely happy and blessed to work on your car. It's going to be a lot of process that's going to be done, but again, he is giving us the green light to do so. Therefore, we're going to give him the best Gen 5 that leaves Auto Addict in this warehouse. We can't wait to start the work, guys. Let's go ahead and begin, start the body work. And again, thank you so much, and we will see him when everything is nice and completed. What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. I hope you guys are having a great day today. We are super hyped and excited to show you guys our first Gen 5 rocking Inozetek midnight green metallic and gloss film. Let's go ahead and get over and show you guys the highlights and move forward from there. Inozetek, guys, is killing it right now when it comes to the wrapping industry. So this is the film that we did for our client Christian on his Gen 5, the midnight green super gloss metallic. Let's go ahead and go outside, guys, and show you this amazing car. It's been with us for almost a month. We did some awesome work to it. Bondo, wheels, coilovers, calipers, rotors, painting the calipers as well, and finally wrapping it with the midnight green and some gloss black accents. Without further ado guys, let's go ahead and go outside and show you this car amazingly shining in the sun. We are super happy guys to introduce to you guys the first Gen 5 midnight green with Inozetek, full-on film, ready to go with gloss black accents. I am super happy guys, and extremely happy to see this film and the amazing touch that Inozetek is giving our client and the satisfaction that they're seeing. Let's go ahead and go over the highlights guys and show you what exactly we did on this full-on build, coming in from a scratch regular stock to an amazing looking fine touch. Alright guys, first and foremost, let's go ahead and get rolling with the wrap guys. The midnight green two-tone action with Inozetek. This film, when the sun is hitting it guys, literally looks like paint. You cannot tell if this is even wrapped. And at nighttime, he will get the midnight black two-tone touching away, so he's giving that mean aggressive look. That's exactly what we want to give to a Camaro guys, being the Gen 5 muscle build. Right in the front guys, as you can see, the upper grille, the lower grille, the fog light bezel was very flat OEM beat up paint. We went and go ahead and gave him a refining touch by painting it gloss black PPG, and at the same time painting the front emblem. So therefore he's got a nice freshing front grills, rocking and contrasting with the midnight film. Over here to the guys, as you see, the fender, the doors, and the corner panel full on wrapped in the midnight green film. Also the mirror, giving it a two-tone action where we have the front cup fully lined up in the midnight film and contrasting it right around here with the gloss black, giving our client the fine touch that it deserves on the side views of this build. And the rear action guys, the spoiler was again fully painted in the PPG gloss black film, giving our client a full true gloss black, so he doesn't ever have to worry about the wrap peeling or changing colors, so the gloss black can blend in whenever he changes colors or goes back to the OEM paint. Again, chrome delete was done all around the taillight covers, and then the bumper was fully wrapped in the Inozetek midnight film, giving it a true touch with the contrast of gloss black and midnight film. We just went over all the wrap guys, all the styling that we did. Let's go ahead and dive into the cosmetics, exactly what we did to make this car look extremely nice with the wrap. Let's dive into it guys and go forward from there. My favorite touch guys completing this build is the Rohana RFX 11 series with the concave touch to it, giving our client the 20-inch wheel setup, 20x10 2011 flush fitment for his Gen 5. And adding with the RFX 11 guys, the Netto's tires MT55 G2, going with 285 in the front, 305 in the rears, giving him the rear aggressive stance that he deserves. Coming down guys, as you can see, our client also added our rotors and brakes with our Fine Partners sequence. We went and got him everything, the front and the back, and as you can see, right on the calipers was fully painted copper / bronze touch to it to fine and contrast the wheel setup and the wrap, giving the calipers the attention grabber that it needs. And lastly guys, my favorite part is Riaction's performance line coilovers, giving our client the stance that it deserves. This car was extremely high when we put those wheels on for our client, but with Riaction's performance line, we were able to give our client the stance that it deserves. We dropped it 2 fingers in the front and 1.5 fingers in the rears, so he kind of has a nice low stance and still enjoys the ride without scratching or scraping his car. Alright guys, Christian just arrived to our HQ over here in Anaheim. We are super happy for him to come. He's been dying to see his car guys. He dropped it off for a small project. It was just gonna be the wrap, but we ended up doing a lot more than expected, and we were super happy that he challenged us to do all this for him. This build was fully supplied and installed by us. Thank you so much, Christian. We really appreciate your trust and your support, brother. Without further ado guys, let's go ahead and get Christian for you guys. Let's capture his reaction. He's been dying to see his car. He wants to drive it already. Let's go ahead and get Christian, guys. green, gloss black, the calipers, the rotors, the stance on this thing with the tires all around. Come over to the front a little bit as well. As you can see, everything is fully shiny. It looks like paint. Holy crap, I'm telling you. The grills was painted, not wrapped, lower, upper, even the fog light bezels. Every single detail to this car. We got rid of this annoying stripes. That wasn't even, I don't know how it was, but we like had to like scratch in there and bundle a lot of stuff for you to get rid of that old stripe. Everything's flat, no more dents. You can see everything on the side. I mean, you know, giving you that fresh look. I mean, coming from a whole different car to giving you this, man. So
I love the wheels.
you see how like the concave, you get me?
Calipers, how you painted them. Oh.
See that? I'm telling you, like, you don't even need to cover it. Like, why even covering them up, right? In a way. So let's check out the rear action. We chrome deleted the tail lights for you. I wanted to keep this chrome just so I can give you that little bit of, you know, luxury, a little bit nice around there, and then all around. Look at this hit ray when the sun hits that corner panel. Like that shine right there, bro. Is something. So
Look how low it is.
see how the stands? It used to be so high.
So high.
Spoiler is painted, not wrapped, so you could forever rock that with even if I'm wrap it. So should be good. See how the film is laid very comfortably. You know, you don't see any blue lines, wave lines, you know, and all that good stuff. We took our time. We added the stripes right here in gloss black for you. I can even go lower with this, but you know, I don't really want to do it too low because it'd be scratching.
This right here.
You like, so what I did for you, brother, a finger and a half, 2 fingers in the front. That way I can give you that Batman view kind of looking right. So this used to be this high, bro. This, yeah. My whole fist in there, literally the whole thing. Of course, that it's stiff. No. It's stiff, very comfortable, and all that good stuff. Exactly what you want, because the coilovers. That's what gave the performance coilovers. So that's exactly why you have that running. So the 2-tone mirrors, everything, brother. So it should be the gloss black roof for you, so you can contrast it, give you that Range Rover look in a way. So. I'm telling you, and you to be the first one too, and then it's something special because when they first launched it, the first move after that was